Guys, my package is here. Let's go get it. So, if you're not sure what I ordered, which how would you know? I ordered a fingerboard off eBay for a really good price, actually. So, let's see. Alright, so the fingerboard is here, and if you're curious what I got, this is a FlatFace board that was actually used on eBay for a really good price. Whenever I see things on eBay that I'm like, I definitely should pick up, I'm gonna do it. Like, it's obviously worth picking up if it's a good price. So let me go grab a knife. Alright guys, so I have the package here. I'm gonna open it up and then I will show you what's inside. Whoever did this, really like great packaging. I guess we'll try to start off on the top. Really packaged this like super well, so thank you to the seller, because this is really impressive packaging, I have to say. I love when people actually put a ton of tape because it's just better and it's like actually protects your fingerboard. So I believe I paid like $60 for the fingerboard, which is pretty good price for a flat face board. So we'll try. This is crazy. Whoever packaged this, you know what you're doing. Wow, okay, it's rolling. So this looks pretty much like it, and yeah, so this is a FlatFace G16, which is really cool. Hopefully this can actually focus on me instead of the thing, but there's a FlatFace G16. Apparently this is a blem deck, but I don't see any blemishes at all, to be honest. So I have another G16. This is my old, well, I've had this for some time. This is the new one that I just ordered. The grip tape definitely is not the best job. It's hard to kind of see on this camera, but they kept it kind of to the side. But we're gonna check it out and just see, but so far it looks really cool. Trucks are definitely quite loose. So we may have to figure out some different trucks, but for now, really cool.
It's not for me, it's for my I wish.
So yeah, so I got this on eBay, and this is a FlatFace G16. Has that really cool green ply. Whoever did the grip tape, I'll be honest, not the best job, but still, it's a nice grip tape. On the bottom, it's this beautiful, I don't know what type of wood that is, but it has a beautiful finish. These trucks, I'm not too sure. They could have came with the board, but I know these are FlatFace G4U wheels, and these are base plates from Teak Tuning, the pink part, and I also put on some Teak Tuning bushings on the middle, but it definitely has a good pop. It's definitely quite a cool board. Like, it definitely has a good pop, though, to be honest. So it is another G16 that I have. I really do like G16s by FlatFace. I personally think they're one of the best boards that I've ever had. I do have another G16, which I've obviously shown in a different video, but this is my other G16. The difference with this one, this G16 has oak wheels, so it's FlatFace and oak wheels, and then also Black River trucks on this, so it's definitely a different board. Again, this is also another favorite of mine. This board has a really good pop. Apologize for my tricks. So I have the two G16s there, and then one of my favorite boards out of all these is my Black River 36mm 7-ply power pop with Black River trucks and Black River wheels. And I am waiting on a wheel, which I'm not going to say in this video, but hopefully it will come soon. So yeah, these are my like three, boards, two FlatFace, two Black River, and I really like them. So yeah, I've gotten pretty much all these off eBay, which is really cool. And I mean, they're all just really great boards. I just like them a lot. Again, all different sizes. I mean, the Black River clearly is going to be like a heavier board. It's 7-ply. Of course, my first trick. It's obviously like a heavier one, and then we have the G16 that I had before with the oak wheels. So, good pop. And then obviously the new G16, and I kind of like these wheels. I don't know if they're dual bearing, but I like them. They kind of have like a plasticky but also polyurethane or urethane feel, and this definitely has a good pop to it. So really cool. But I'm a big fan of the G16s. I do like the bottom of this one more because I think it definitely has a better finish. But these oak wheels are crazy. It was like a collaboration that they had, but really cool. So yeah, I'm really excited to start using it and adding to my collection of pro fingerboards.
I wish it's not for me, it's for my I wish
So one reason why I really like the G16s is the shape that they have, and they just have this crazy pop, but also I just like the quality of all of them. Like they feel really premium. I love just looking at like the ply of the wood on the bottom. It's really, really nice. I did make a video talking about like boards with graphics versus without. I do think if the G16s had graphics on them, I think that would make them like the coolest boards ever. But I think it is kind of a unique style to not have that. So it is pretty cool. But the G16s just have like a crazy pop. That's all I can say. I don't know. To me, I don't really want to change the trucks on this, especially because the grip tape is like already set. But I feel like these trucks are fine. I just need to figure out where they're from. But yeah, great board all around.